So today we are going to solve Pascal's triangle problem. The problem number is 118 in Leetcode. So basically, Pascal triangle is something that looks like this. So they will give us a number of rows. So it will be 1, 2, 2. It will be to any number extent. So we have to generate a sequence like this, and we have to return a list of list. So this is the solution. So first, we will be iterating from first index 1 to the number of rows. So we will be doing this the number of row times. Okay. So the base condition is this. So if the if number of rows is 1 or 2, we will add one element. If number of row is expected output is 1. So if the given n is 2, we will return this. So after that, to solve the rest of the problem, we will use this code. So if basically here I created an empty list, and I added 1 to that list, and I added that list to the master list db. This is the list we will return. If the expected row is range is 2, we will create a list. We will add 1, again 1, and we will return that list. This is where the real problem comes, this else part. So we will create a list as usual, and we will get the last list, and we will store that in a temporary. We will create a temporary variable of type list, and we will store the last list in this, and we will add as usual. If you see, all the first element of the list is 1, and all the last element of the list is 1. So we will add 1 to the list which we are going to return. So then in this part I used sliding window technique. So as of now, assume q is equal to 3. So we have already added 1 in that list. Now we have to find the 2. So for that I use sliding window. So I added that result into the list again in this part, and again I am using sliding window for rest of the part. For this specific position q is equal to 3, this part will not work, because here it will, the size of that will become 2 is 2. This at this place the code will end, because 2 will be not less than 2. So but after that it will work. So assume if now q equal to 4, we have already generated this. So for this push for this part of the code, first sum will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then for this part of the code, we will subtract 3 minus 1, which is 2. No. 3 minus 1, which is 2, again plus 1, which is again 3. So that code will goes here. So whenever we get a solution, we will add that to the our list, and finally we add 1 to the list as usual, because the end of the list is 1. Finally, after doing all this operation, we will store that list in again in another master list. After doing this for q times, we will return that array list of list. So yeah, this is the output. If you see, So we are submitting. I have already submitted this, so this will work. We got accepted. So this is similar problem like that, where they will be given us a index. Say if it is 3, we have to provide 0, 1, 2, 3. We have to return this list alone. So using the same code, I have just increased the index to 1. We will be generating index till q plus 1 times. Then we will be just returning the last list of the master list. We won't return the whole list. We will just return the last position of the master list. So I'm submitting this. It's also got accepted. Thank you guys. I will post another video tomorrow. Bye.